What's up, people? We're back, and I'm going to clarify now where I was getting it wrong. So the kit's right, the instructions are right from an engineer's point of view, not, I think, the everyday person's point of view. So I've had a chat I've had a chat with the chap from Pipes and Stuff, and we've come up with a better way. Right, let me show you what I'm going on about. Right, in the instructions it says, now with the engine at TDC, turn the flywheel so the round magnet fitted in the flywheel is at 90 degrees, the highest point. Now see, this is where I was getting it wrong, because to me, 0 degrees is 12 o'clock, and 90 degrees is 3 o'clock, 180 degrees, 6 o'clock. But to an engineer, 0 degrees is plane, right? Horizontal. Well, I was thinking 0 degrees was vertical, 12 o'clock. So it's not. So if you have 0 degrees horizontally, 90 degrees is vertical, which is where the magnet should be, at the top, which is at 12 o'clock. So I think what we're going to do is going to change the instructions to 90 degrees or the 12 o'clock position, which I think would just be a little bit easier for everybody. Well, for me anyway, the average person, I think. So let's have a quick look. So this 12 o'clock is also 90 degrees to the plane, which is where the engineer side comes in. So plane, horizontal, is 0 degrees. So 90 degrees would be there. And this sensor has to be in about the 2 o'clock position, which is right. So this picture diagram, this is going to get moved to here. Okay, and that will just clear everything up. Beautiful. Right, now let's get crack-a-lacking. That's done up. I went to 30 foot-pounds. There's no point. If it says 25 to 30, I'm going to go tighter. Couple of duggers on the knuckle. Right then. Now, we're on to electronics. Now, electronics, I've tried everything on this bike to hide it all away, so it's all in the frame. And then we've got this, right? This is all the electronics, twin coils, leads, and CDI box. Now, this isn't exactly the thing I can get to disappear. So what I'm going to do is modify it. So I'm going to strip it all down, take all the coils off, so it's all in its individual pieces. And what I'm going to do, I think, is take this off, build a mounting plate, and have a coil either side with a little lead. So then the coils are going to be here, and then I'm going to work from there. Obviously my regulator rectifier can come off, and this black regulator rectifier will go in its place. Right, so it's just going to be a case of bish bash bosh. I'm not going to put a gasket back on here, because as you know, I broke it in the first video, and I'm going to put this back on. That is set now. We're up tight, bish bush. Run the cable down through the bottom. So this cover now can go back on. I'm going to strip this off, make a mounting bracket. I've got some aluminium sheet knocking around somewhere. Right, I'm going to stop talking and get going because my videos are too long. Right then, let's bash onto a bit of time lapse and you can watch me fandandle around a little bit, right? Right, so this is where we're at now, people. I've skipped on a bit. Having some trouble with my anxiety and stuff, so you have to bear with me. I've made a couple of these, some aluminium brackets with a coil. Mesh it there. Gonna put one on the other side, one on this side, and my coils are going to sit there. So they're going to be sort of semi-hidden, if you know what I mean. And then a nice short lead onto the plug. That's about it. So I'll get the other side on, get the coils on. You'll just have to work with me because I'm feeling like shit, to be fair. Right, let's crack on. There we go, people. Running. Basically, on 2 coils. Basically, plug and play. All I've done is wired the earths up to the battery for now. Not too wet. The carbs still need playing with, but to be honest, I want to fuck them up. Right, people, I'm back. So I'm just going to go over what I've done. So to start with, let's flip it over. The stator's on. We've seen that in video 1 and some of this video. The coils are in. They are on little aluminium brackets mounted to the tensioner, so they're sort of out the way. I've left these long for now until I get it running and make sure everything works properly. The wiring's all stripped off this plate. You can just literally buy this kit, stick that on, plug your leads in, positive on your battery, negative on the switch, because it's the negative is the kill switch, and off you go. But I'm not one to leave anything the way I brought you, because to me the bikes are meant to be what we want them to be, and this is my bike, so it doesn't matter if anybody else likes it. It's my style and your bike is your style, and I bet it's awesome. I just like my bike the way it is. It's bit raw, bit ready. But now what I'm thinking about doing as well is I've got this little battery box and the battery. I'm thinking about going down to the condenser route and keeping this space, because it kicks over. I mean, it takes a bit of a kick, but it kicks over okay. Starts up first time every time. So I'm thinking now, get rid of this, keep all this space, hide all these electrics in the bike away, and yeah, make it the way I want it. But for the people who watch this for about the PMA, it's literally, we've done that. I would advise buying a puller, because that was just a nightmare. Put that on. You've got your wire coming out of there, which is this. That plugs into there, that plugs into there. The coil packs go from there, the straight on there. Positive, negative, job's good one. That's it. It's that simple. And it is a really tidy kit. I mean, look at this. It's, you know what I mean? It's a nice kit. It's well made. Oh. So that's where I'm at on it. So now what I'm going to do is modify all this even more. So it's the way I want it to be. Because, you know, I want this bike to reflect me. So it's just the way I want it to be. So yeah, thanks for watching. You know, I'm going to do another video on other stuff that I'm going to do to the bike. So we're not finished yet. Are they ever finished? And so it's up to you if you watch some of the videos and like them, maybe even subscribe. Get me noticed a bit more, because when you like videos, they get seen more. And I'm all about helping people. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. Gonna get in the shower. See the missus, play with Bobby for a bit. Thanks for watching, people. Much appreciated. Now, go and get some work done on them bikes.